Let me show you how to transfer your Spotify playlist to Amazon Music. This works the exact same on iPhone or Android. Now, to do this, we need a third-party app on your iPhone or Android. So just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you're going to type in SongShift. Now, just download and install this app, SongShift. We can use it completely free. After we've done that, let's open it up, and we need to connect Amazon Music and Spotify to this app. So first, just tap on Amazon Music here, and I'll just hit continue. And it's going to ask me to sign into my account. So let me just sign into my account here real quick, and then enter in the one-time password. After I've done that, I will allow it access to Amazon, but I also need to give it access to Spotify as well. So let's choose Spotify and give that access as well. So now we have both Amazon and Spotify. We can hit continue here, and then we can hit get started. Now make sure you're in this shifts section, and we'll transfer that playlist by going and creating a new transfer. And it says, what would you like to transfer? In this case, I want to transfer my Spotify playlist. So just tap on that, and I can choose whatever I want on here. Let's say this Jack Johnson song, and hit confirm. Now the destination I want to use is Apple Music. And you can see I can hit start shifts. It will go through the process of reviewing that transfer and seeing if there are matches. You can see these are the exact same matches. So just hit confirm matches, and it will go through the process of transferring that playlist. You can see everything is done and good to go. Now I can check the Apple Music app in here to see if everything was transferred over. Just go into the Apple Music app and go to your library and playlist, and it should show up with that playlist. There it is, downloads. You'll be able to see Better Together by Jack Johnson.